Lost the Google search bar on your Android home screen? No need to worry, here's how to get it back. So first of all, locate any empty space on your home screen. Now let's hold our finger on it. And in this pop-up menu, let's choose widgets right here at the bottom. After that, go through the list of available widgets and locate your Google tab. Let's tap on the Google to see all the available widgets from Google. And let's locate our search bar. Simply tap on it and now press Add. There we are. The search bar is added. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, you can reposition it, of course, and you can drag it between the screens. You can even add up many search bars, like as much as you need. And the cool thing, what you can do, you can customize it. So you can hold your finger onto it, you can press Settings, and you can choose the theme for it: system theme, light, dark, device, custom. You can adjust transparency. As I already said, you can create your custom theme with your custom colors. I'll go just with a system one with the lowest transparency. You can add up some shortcuts like translators, weather, camera, sports, finance, so on and so forth. And to save it all, simply go back and you're done. Now you have your Google search bar right here back on your screen. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.